Over for your leaders. And remember, if you do move over for your leaders, don't smash back in the back of the map.
Yeah.
What?
Use the brake.
All right. Yeah, don't jump into the straightaway course. Suggest that. But on the toad. Here we go. Here we go.
Don't take it tighter. Don't lean over. Don't lean over.
Good start. Good. Like it. That's good. Yes, corners big, low sensation to this one. Because one car crashes, they're all going to crash. So, right there, right there, right there. Good, Steve.
Don't lean over.
Guys are doing pretty good for 8 right now. Keep focusing on being nice and smooth. Think of it as you're not racing against each other, you're racing with each other. With each other. Yeah, right there, good, right there, good. Watch out, Corey, watch out. You're going to do it, Andy.
Come on.
You're good, Corey. You're ready, Corey.
Yeah, don't cross over, Corey. Can't see.
Yeah. All right, Eric in the one. You can have that yellow rims and white buggy. You're going to want to watch. We can cross here in 7. Yep, there is. Yep, Eric's in that yellow rim, white buggy. Oh, get the roll of these yellow rims. That'll be your lead. All right, Eric, Tyler, Lincoln, Jeff, Dion, Anthony.
I'm sorry, Dion.
Andrew. So everybody out there, whoa, big pile of us moved away for 2 seconds.
Oh, Bob.
Watch out the crossover. Thanks, man.
Well, I'm going to hit myself.
Yeah. Oh, Bob's upside down. James getting him. With Eric, Tyler. So Tyler's in that orange front. Eric in the blue front. Rescuing some guys on the street. Randolph. Yep. So Eric, yellow rims, white buggy with a blue on the back, and those are white nose. Squint your eyes. You're your leader. Second place leader is going to be orange front with white rims. He's coming around right there past the up the chicane. Watch out the chicane. Watch out the chicane. Watch out Chloe getting out of there. Oops, back up just a little bit so I can see. We got Eric, Tyler, Lincoln, Jeff, Andrew, Anthony, Bob, Dion. Bob's smoking out. Yep. All right, Eric's got a little bit of space behind him. He's going to be coming up the lap of Lincoln in a second. I'll fix it, I'll fix it. That'll be your leader, Lincoln, coming up the lap in just a second.
You're welcome, Andrew.
Wait for just a second, so keep watching your corners. I gotta fix this real fast. Go right back into it. Yep, watch on the street, watch on the street, watch on the street, straight. Yep, 1 and 2 are both on the back street, so watch out for those guys coming around. They're going to come around with Jeff and Lincoln, and then orange front, white rear. There we go, those are both the leaders. Eric's still the one, Eric's still the one. Good job, guys. Let's keep working with each other. So when there's 8 cars out there, you are racing together. Racing together. You can fix that TV in a minute. So we got Eric up there in the 1. Right. Whoa! Couple guys in the middle. Thanks, guys. Corey's slow motion. All right, you're barely caught by that, ain't you? You're okay, Corey. You're okay. There you go. Good job. There you go.
Don't run across the middle.
All right, let's keep watching those corners, keep watching that crossover. Try not to cross the crossover if you can. Just yell to the guy on the other side to get somebody. But watch out there, bad spot on AMP. Okay, you're okay, Corey. Stop your grab. You're okay. Don't run.
Go, Dion. Just go, 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 go.
There you go. Yeah. Yep. 52 seconds left. 5. Okay, we think. All right, we got Eric still running up front, 44 seconds left to go. Oh, Eric slides into Vinner's arms. It's Eric, got orange and white versus Eric. That's a Royale. 22 seconds left to go. There you come to the pile, you come through So here we go through lots of little Dion coming past you. Thanks, Dion. And coming around Anthony and Bob. Oh, they just touch each other. Oh, yeah, Dion feeling bad for that, I'm sure. He's not going to do that, I'm sure. We got Tyler, Eric, Andrew, Lincoln, Bob, Jeff, Anthony, Dion. You guys did pretty good, though. Keep going, keep going. Eric wrapped up, just waiting on Tyler. There's Tyler. Good job, good job. Tyler, Eric, Andrew, Lincoln, Bob, Jeff, Anthony, Dion. You guys did pretty well.
Just because he goes for the Bengals, you're going to flip him over? No. You see what I'm saying? You see how he was in the, that's how everybody's doing. It's not cool if you slow down so you don't hit the guy in front of you, you got to just mob over the back.